All right, man. Welcome to Crow 777 Radio. This is a bumper for episode 576. Jason Lindgren is with me, and Curtis Stone joins us. I mean, primarily this episode is about self-sufficiency. I mean, let's face it. We know the social engineering was packed full in entertainment, music, TV, but now there's a social agenda on almost every product you buy. The more self-sufficient we become, the less we have to deal with this stuff. I mean, it's even getting to the point where I just saw recently they passed laws to put kill switches into cars. Does anyone who buys a car want that, I wonder? Anyhow, the first hour is free to everybody at crow777radio.com. Members know to log in for the full episode. Members get access to all the forums. They can create forums, all the comments sections. They can stream the 2-hour film called Shoot the Moon, covering all my prior telescope work. That has 10 awards in the world right now. Plus, the only place I'm going to be posting my current telescope work on the sun is on my website. I won't be posting it on censorship platforms. With that, I hope to see you logged in as a member for episode 576, and I'd like to wish you all a happy, healthy, and higher-minded new era. There it is, man. Cheers.
Belief is the enemy of knowing.